Welcome. My name is Darius, and today we will say a very powerful prayer of deliverance.
Read this prayer daily so that the universe grants you all your wishes. Tune in with the abundance of the universe through the daily exercise of this prayer for abundance. It is best to do it in the morning, before starting your day, so that you vibrate positively in the same tune with the universe. Activate the loving angels of abundance that will walk before you, opening doors of money, abundance, prosperity, success and well-being. Use your faith to repeat this prayer and enjoy a day where opportunities, joy, the money and everything you have to do will manifest without setbacks. The angels of abundance will walk before you, opening doors and the barns of God. I know that I am pure spirit, that I always have been, and that I always will be. There is inside me a place of confidence and quietness and security where all things are known and understood. This is the universal mind, God, of which I am a part and which responds to me as I ask of it. This universal mind knows the answer to all of my problems, and even now the answers are speeding their way to me. I needn't struggle for them, I needn't worry or strive for them. When the time comes, the answers will be there. I give my problems to the great mind of God. I let go of them, confident that the correct answers will return to me when they are needed. Through the great law of attraction, everything in life that I need for my work and fulfillment will come to me. It is not necessary that I strain about this, only believe. For in the strength of my belief, my faith will make it so. I see the hand of divine intelligence all about me, in the flower, the tree, the brook, the meadow. I know that the intelligence that created all these things is in me and around me, and that I can call upon it for my slightest need. I know that my body is a manifestation of pure spirit and that spirit is perfect, therefore my body is perfect also. I enjoy life, for each day brings a constant demonstration of the power and wonder of the universe and myself. I am confident. I am serene. I am sure. No matter what obstacle or undesirable circumstance crosses my path, I refuse to accept it, for it is nothing but illusion. There can be no obstacle or undesirable circumstance to the mind of God, which is in me, and around me, and serves me now. Today, I expect miracles. I graciously receive all the good fortune that comes my way. It is my intention to be a powerful source of love and light in this world. It is my intention to be a force for good, and everything I do today is imbued with love, peace and joy. Thank you for the love and light in me. I pray through words as well as my actions. I pray alone and with everyone who has prayed this miracle prayer. Together we create miracles. I know you are creating a two-way communication. Prayers require listening as well as taking action on your word. Today, I know my prayers are heard. I pray with happiness and conviction. And I know miracles are manifesting right now. So it is. Amen.